What's up mga pre? And welcome to DIY Food. For this episode, gagawa tayo ng baked tahong with cheese. And dito sa recipe na to, gagamitin natin yung bechamel sauce na pinakita ko sa iyo from last episode. So, without further ado, let's start with this recipe. So, to start, kailangan lang natin ng tahong, syempre. We will steam this later. And then, we will need bechamel sauce. We also need garlic, few cloves, cheeses, and some herbs for garnishes. So, babalatan ko lang tong mga garlic and then imi-mince ko into fine pieces kasi isasama na natin siya sa sauce. Once that's done, i-chiffonade ko yung herb ko, in my case basil, and then i-chop ko din for garnish later. In a non-stick pan, I will add my oil, which is olive oil, and konti lang, and then I will spread it to my pan. I will use this oil to fry my garlic. So once that's hot, I will add my garlic, like so, like that. And then I will stir it up until maging at least light brown siguro na kulay. Should be fine. Once that's already light brown, I will add some butter. Actually, pwedeng butter muna, nakalimutan ko lang. Pero yeah, just make sure that works, and we will add a few sprinkle of breadcrumbs. Siguro mga 2 tablespoons worth. So once that's done, i-crisp up lang natin yung breadcrumbs natin. So this will add some crunch dun sa stuffing nung baked tahong natin. So once that's okay, I will add my bechamel sauce. So slowly, add nyo lang using a spoon, or better kung meron kayong plastic spatula para masimot nyo siya from the plate. So yeah, stir it around lang until it's gonna be finely incorporated, and then season with some salt and some pepper. To taste, syempre. So depende sa preference. So stir it around again, and then we'll add our cheese. I'm using, again, mozzarella and some Parmesan cheese. So, once that's done, incorporate it all together lang. As you can see yan, nagme-melt na siya and nagiging very stretchy. So, set this aside, it pwede na. So, I will just prepare my tahong. So, remove the other piece and yan, i-open up ko lang siya. Like this one. Bilis, diba? So, just take one piece of the tahong with the a tablespoon, siguro kahit mga half tablespoon lang ng stuffing natin. So, gawin nyo lang yan sa lahat ng tahong nyo. Like so, like that. And then, after this, ready na tayong ilagay siya sa oven at around 200 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes should be fine. So, for this one, we're not baking until it's done kasi I'm gonna torch it later to have some char in the top layer. So yeah, that's okay now. Now I'm gonna char it with my blowtorch kasi syempre whatever excuse I have to use my blowtorch, syempre susunggaban ko. So yan, blowtorch ko lang to hanggang sa magkaroon ng magandang kulay. And syempre para magkaroon ng smoky flavor. So once that's done, I will transfer it to my presentation plate. Like so, like that. So this is gonna be a perfect appetizer for your event. If may bisita kayo sa bahay. Or in my case, I'm doing this for our New Year Media Noche. So yan, it's our appetizer. So I'm just drizzling some olive oil on top for garnish. And I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. Kasi syempre, more cheese, more fun. And then, some of my herbs. So, I'm using basil. Yan, for garnish and for better color natin. So, that's basically it. That's my cheesy baked tahong with my bechamel sauce. So, i-try nyo na. Napakasarap niyan. Then again, this is DIY Food. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.